Today we will see how to implement AUC ROC curve in Python. So first let's import all the necessary libraries for implementing ROC curve. We will build a random forest classifier in this example to see how AUC ROC curve are drawn from this model. For this we need to import make classifier, random classifier, train test split, pandas, numpy, AUC ROC curve from sklearn.metrics, and for visualizing the plot import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now here we have generated random data. Here we have taken n samples equals to 1000, n informative equals to 10, features we have taken 20, and flip_y is of 0.2, and we have splitted our random generated data into training and testing set. Either test size is 0.3, so our training and testing ratio would be 70-30%, and random state equals to 42. So if you also run this code, then you will also get same split every time. Here we have generated random forest classifier object and saved the model into model variable. Now we have fitted our model in this variable and passed xtrain and ytrain. This is our training set. So we have passed training set of x and y as parameter. We will fit this model on testing dataset to evaluate how good our model is. Now we have predicted the probability. As you know that we need the predicted probabilities for AUC ROC curve to know how better our model is for making classification. Probability vector equals to model.predictProba is the function to predict the probabilities from xtest. This is the testing data set. Here we have created one function true, false, positive. Here is the threshold vector and second parameter is ytest. These are the true positives, true negative, false positive and false negative. If you don't know this concept, then please look at my previous video on confusion matrix, so you will get the clear understanding of all these four values. How to evaluate it? np dot equal threshold vector of 1 and np dot equal ytest equals to 1. What it means that our actual value is also 1 and predicted value is also 1. So true positive. Actual value here is also 0 and our model predicted is 0. So true negative. Actual value is 0 but our model predicted it as 1. So false positive. Actual value is 1 and our model predicted it as 0. So it is false negative. Then we calculate true positive rate and false positive rate. The formula for TPR is true positive divided by true positive plus false negative, and formula for false positive rate is false positive divided by false positive plus true negative. To calculate all true positive, we have used here some function to calculate all these true positive values that are assigned here. This function returns these two values, TPR and FPR, on the basis of which ROC curve will be visualized. Here next function is define ROC curve. First argument is probabilities that were calculated here from predictProba function. Second argument is ytest. Third argument is partitions. In ROC curve we have converted np.array. Then for I in range partitions plus 1, this loop will go through all partitions, means all the features, and build ROC AUC curve for all the values. Threshold vector equals to np dot greater underscore equal probabilities of I divided by partition S type integer. Here TPR FPR equals to true positive, true false positive. Here we have called the function, and in parameters we have passed threshold and y test. So this will call this function which calculates true positive rate and false positive rate. Calculate it and it will return here. Then in ROC variable np.append, first argument is ROC and second argument is false positive and true positive rate, and we have reshaped it. Now let's see the ROC AUC curve. Here we have imported matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Matplotlib and Seaborn, both libraries are used for visualization purpose. Here we have built one scatter plot for AUC ROC curve. ROC equals to ROC curve. Here we have called this function, and in bracket probabilities, y-test and partitions we have passed. Then it will return ROC curve, which will call TPR and FPR function. This function will return true positive and false positive rate. So based on this all four values, we got the ROC AUC curve. So this curve is near to 1. So it is the better model. If our model is less than 0.5, then it indicates that it doesn't make good predictions. Our model is not performing well. Now we have imported this inbuilt ROC AUC curve function from sklearn.matrix import ROC underscore curve. FPR TPR threshold equals to ROC curve y-test comma probability vector. This function will return false positive rate, true positive rate and threshold value, so we don't have to calculate it manually. Then plot.figure, figure size is 15,7. 15 is the width, 7 is the height. Now we have plot scatter plot in bracket false positive rate and true positive rate. As you know, ROC curve is plot from false positive rate against true positive rate. False positive rate will come on x-axis, true positive rate will come on y-axis. This ROC AUC curve is the implementation from sklearn. We don't need to make a function of ROC AUC curve as we built here. Here we have calculated manually, but we have sklearn.matrix and then import ROC AUC curve. It will provide us this ROC AUC curve. So now you have understood how to build AUC ROC curve from any model. If you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask the question in comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram on my technical page named Techopedia. You can DM me over Techopedia page also. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.